Hi, this is Joydeep. You are watching my channel Tech Guru Joydeep. Today I will show you unboxing of lavalier microphone from Boya. Model name is BYM1. This is a omnidirectional microphone for presentation and video recording. This device is used for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR camera for recording video and audio. In the box, it has 20 feet audio cable, lapel clip, and LR44 battery, foam windscreen, 1 by 4 inch adapter. It has high quality condenser, is ideal for video use, and low noise handling is very useful for video recording for YouTube and mobile video recording and any other video or audio recording. It is very much useful. Now I open this box. I am showing you what is in the box, what it includes. Now I am showing. This is the cable. This is a 20 feet cable, and this is the microphone. This is the cable 20 feet, and it has a microphone. And here it is the user manual. Here everything is mentioned how to use it. This is the user manual, and it given here a clip. This is used when you carry your microphone. You clip this microphone to your shirt or your t-shirt, whatever you wear, you can clip your phone. So it is very easy to carry. And this is the battery which we used in the microphone. How to use it, I will show you. And this is the adapter. And another thing it has, this is the microphone cover. How to use this microphone cover I am showing you. In this way you use this cover, and there is a battery. I am showing you how to insert this battery to your microphone. You need to open this microphone in that way, and then you have to insert it. There is a plus minus, you can see. Now you can see I have inserted this battery into this port. There is a ribbon which you pull, you can exit this battery from this port. When you need to change your battery, you can easily exit this battery using this ribbon. After inserting this battery into this port, you need to cover it again. There is and there is a button. Using this button you can switch your mode. There is a two mode, camera and another one is a smartphone mode. So using this button you can switch the mode. When you need to camera you can select the camera. When you need to smartphone you have to select the smartphone mode. So in that way you can change your mode accordingly whichever you need. And there is a connector. This is 3.5 mm connector which you used to connect your microphone to the smartphone, camera, camcorder or other recording devices. And there is the clip. This is the clip. You need to use it when you record any video. You need to insert your microphone in that way, and you need to clip using this to your shirt, jacket, whatever you wear. So this is very useful when you recording any YouTube video, any presentation. You need to hold your microphone in that way. So this is the whole system of the Boya microphone. This is the 20 feet length wire. Very useful. 20 feet length is very useful when you recording any presentation, any YouTube video. This is the whole system of the Boya microphone, and its audio quality is very good. It has a very good noise cancellation technology. So your voice is, when you record any video, your voice will be very clear. And there is a warranty card. When your microphone has any issue, any problem, you need to submit it to your Boya vendor. They will take care your microphone. So this is the whole total description of this microphone. I have showed every part of this phone. I will come up with another video where I will show you detail how to use this phone, and I will record a video using this microphone, and then you will be able to judge the quality of this microphone. So that's all, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and give your valuable comments if you like.